Good days, great sons. This is the topic of what is the atmosphere. An atmosphere is a blanket of gases that surround the Earth. It is held near the surface of the planet by Earth's gravitational attraction. The most three main constitutions of the atmosphere is the argon, the oxygen, and nitrogen. So a clear definition will be the atmosphere is a protective layer of gases that shelter all life on Earth, keeping temperatures within a relative small range and blocking out harmful rays of sunlight. We go down to the features of the atmosphere. The atmosphere helps us retain the sun's heat and prevent it from escaping back into space. It protects life from harmful radiation from the sun, plays a major role in Earth's water cycle, helps keep the, the climate, excuse me, helps keep the climate on Earth moderate. And yes, there is no boundary between the atmosphere and outer space. As creators, you must know that these nodes will help you during your examination time and will be a good fit for including them in your study time notes. So as we go into the layers of the atmosphere, we have four different layers. The first one is the thermosphere. There comes the mesosphere, the stratosphere, and the troposphere. So let's dive deep into the importance and a little demonstration of the four types of the layers of the atmosphere. First and foremost, the most important layer, which is the troposphere. The troposphere, it is this one situated closely by our globe, which is the Earth. So this layer is considered to be the most important one because it consists of the gases that are important in our lives. So the troposphere is the lowest layer in the atmosphere. It extends upward to 10 kilometers above sea level, starting from ground level, contains all gases which are essential for life, as what I was trying to explain. So as you can see, the troposphere is the one that is more closer to the globe as compared to the other layers of the Earth. So that could give you a little explanation of how they're saying why it contains the most important layers of the Earth. So then we dive deep down into the stratosphere. The stratosphere is above the troposphere and it extends about 50 kilometers above the ground. It is the one that contains the ozone layer. But we're going to dive down into the ozone layer in a couple of upcoming videos. For now, we're still explaining the structure of the atmosphere. There comes what we call a mesosphere. A mesosphere, it is above the stratosphere and it is the coldest layers of them all, as it can reach to a temperature of or moderate temperature of about negative 90 degrees Celsius. It prevents dust and rock particles from entering the lower layers of the atmosphere, so it acts as a protecting barrier to the lower layers. Then I would like to talk about the last layer on our diagram. The last layer of the diagram, which is considered to be the thermosphere. The thermosphere, it is considered to be one of the layers that contains higher temperatures due to the sun. So let's just draw a little demonstration of the sun here, just to show you what I'm talking about. So the sun's rays, which are hot, can be considered as hot, are going to hit directly to the thermosphere. As they hit directly to the thermosphere is going to heat up. So when it heat up, it will be when it heat up, it protects the other layers from this harmful ultraviolet radiation. So it also acts as a protective barrier. So as we can conclude that the most important layers are these four, which is the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, and the thermosphere. And I thank you.